If you're in the Fusion 360 ecosystem, you'll need to be aware of Autodesk's upcoming changes to how they store your files if you want to keep access to them or risk losing them for good. So what is the change exactly? In case you missed it, Autodesk communicated on its website at the end of January that there would be changes to the way users' project files would be stored and managed. Currently, Autodesk uses what they call single user storage, and it represents how Autodesk saves and associates your files in their cloud data centers. The change that is starting very soon is to migrate all users, both free and paying customers, to what Autodesk is calling their future storage and collaboration environment, Fusion Hub. According to Autodesk, if you don't migrate to Fusion Hub, your files are likely will become inaccessible and potentially you'll lose them permanently. So why is this change happening? Well, the single user storage system has been in place for some time now and has possibly been in place before I started using Fusion 360 back in 2016. Like any software company, Autodesk will be looking to innovate and improve their service offerings to its customers. This process often involves retiring aging software, infrastructure, and processes as they come to the end of their life cycles. This retirement plan not only keeps the system running smoothly on new infrastructure, but it reduces the work needed to keep multiple complicated systems running alongside their new counterparts. In addition to opening up opportunities in the next stage of development, you can bet Autodesk will be looking to simplify the process of supporting customers and infrastructure, from new hardware and software all the way through to reducing costs and being efficient, making supporting Fusion 360 easier and in turn making it a well-oiled machine, and sets the company up with a clean and uncluttered roadmap for the future developments. So what do you need to do? Well, before proceeding, you need to be aware that this is a one-way migration, meaning that once the process has been started, you can't go back. This is a little bit of a moot point, seeing that if you don't migrate, you're highly likely to use your files, especially when Autodesk finally shuts down the servers that single user storage is hosted on. Once you start to see the notifications in Fusion 360, Autodesk say that you have around 30 days to complete the migration. Follow the on-screen prompts when you see the notification within Fusion 360 to start the migration process. For new Fusion 360 users, you'll be prompted to create a hub at your first login, so you'll be all set in the new way of working right from the get-go. And if you're new to Fusion 360 and want to get the personal license for free, check out the link in the card above. In addition to any aesthetic changes, there are changes to how files are structured within Fusion Hub. Autodesk has said that Fusion Hub organizes files differently and that this will result in any shared links you may have getting broken. These can be easily recreated according to Autodesk. Also, workflows may need to be adjusted as the relationship between project and individual files is changing. Making an educated guess, there may be some linking issues between individual files and assemblies, if that's a feature that you use. Linking allows you to create individual parts and then import them as a component into a larger assembly. This can be a really efficient way to create large and complicated projects, as all of the design timelines are constrained within an individual file and not the main assembly, something which can get out of hand. Also, for personal license users, if you have any collaboration projects, you'll be disconnected from any that are not hosted within your hub. Anyone connected to your projects will also be disconnected. This is because Autodesk is enforcing the license agreement that cloud collaboration is not part of the personal license. Autodesk continues to divide opinion regarding the changes that they make to their software, especially in the maker community, where the free personal license is leveraged a lot. But Autodesk is an innovator in the CAD/CAM space, and I, for one, am interested to see what tools they bring to the table in the next round of development. So if you're a Fusion 360 user that has completed the migration process, pop a comment below to share your experiences. I'm keen to hear the good and the bad.